Hi guys, today just a quick video to look at how we're looking after our neckers. Obviously, first thing you want to do is make sure you iron it, but I'm off on another scouting thing soon, so I haven't got time to iron my necker today, so just going to have a quick look at how we roll it and tie a friendship knot. So first off, I lay it out nice and flat on the table, and I make sure I can get it as nice and even as possible, and also making sure that I'm going to roll it so the label goes in. I've got two weights here, so I just got a water bottle, place on either end, place the water bottle on either end, pull it nice and tight. Okay, it doesn't matter if the bottles move as we roll it, but we want them to keep it as flat as possible. I'm going to start off with my hands, I'm going to keep my hands in the middle just above the point, and I'm going to roll it as tight as possible here forward, okay? And I'm just going to use my elbows to keep the fabric tight as I roll down towards the point. And I'm always rolling just over the point. I'm not worried about any twists or kinks here, okay? That will all sort itself out when we get to the end. But I'm just going to roll it in nice and steady. There's so many ways you can roll a necker. This is quite a nice way that if you're at a table, to get it looking nice and smart, I can roll it on here and take my time over it. If I was at camp or I was out on a hike, I could use a friend. So a friend could hold it nice and tight for me, and I could put the point in my mouth and then roll it towards my mouth, and then that'll make it nice and neat as well. But it's just as simple as rolling it really tight. Okay, so you can see the end is creeping back in. Just going to tuck it to make sure it stays in the middle. And you can see some twists starting to come through, but again the bottles are creaked in a little bit and the candle, but not gone very far at all. So I'm at the right length. I'm just going to take one bottle off. You can see it untwist a bit, but watch the magic in a second. All I do, a quick flick with my hand, and look at that, nice and easy. I'm going to pop my necker on. Obviously a friendship knot you're meant to do on a friend, but I'm going to just do it on myself for today. Okay, so to tie a friendship knot, you want to tuck the one end up towards the person who's going to be wearing the necker, and then you're going to fold the other end, again tucking it behind in front of them, and you kind of get a little shape that looks like that. I like to make the hole nice and clear before I tuck the end in, and so I've got my ends here. All I do is I fold down the tail from the back over the front. I take my back tail from where I folded it behind, I go over, and then I go into the hole, like so. And to be honest, you know if you got it right because it stays done up. If you got it wrong, it will come undone straight away. Okay, so here we go, nice tidy square knot in my necker there. This always looks much better when you have a necker with two halves, but I've only got, this is my group one, so it's got a mark around the outside. Obviously in the UK, if you're watching from abroad, the different scout groups in the UK will all have a different necker. There's no kind of theme, it's kind of down to them what they choose. But I know in places like Italy and some other countries it's slightly different, where they have a colour for their county as the main colour of the necker, and then the edges signifies where they're from in their region. At least that was was what I was told by a visiting Italian scout a number of years ago. So it's always interesting to hear a little bit of a story from each place, and there you go. That's how you tie a nice friendship knot and get your necker looking nice and tidy. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.